Now you just got an additional charge.
I didn't resist.
Now you are going to jail.
Good. I didn't resist. Oh God, my face just got busted up against it. You're gonna make this good because I didn't resist. Oh God! Help me! Help me, lady! Lady, help me! God, help me!
This is 50-year-old April Colleen Schofield, and moments before this, she had just been caught red-handed on surveillance cameras carrying out what could easily be described as one of the most petty thefts ever recorded. On January 15th, 2026, Lake County, Florida deputies responded to a Target store after loss prevention reported a past theft. Surveillance cameras had captured Schofield concealing merchandise and nearly walking out with the items before she was stopped at the exit by store security. But despite being caught red-handed, Schofield was determined to make the officers sweat for every step it took to finally arrest her.
Some of the charge mine was.
I'm be not doing it right. You gotta wait for her to open it.
Please don't take me to jail.
We'll see.
Please don't make me not to.
Well, why'd you steal then?
I didn't because I got it for my kid's birthday. Sorry. Sorry.
Well,
I'm sorry.
Would you rather have them have you in jail for their birthday or?
No.
After you.
I'll give up your people if you want me to know the people that are boosting all your cards for you.
I would love to know that, to be honest.
All right, I can give it to you right now. There's two of them. And if you... I give them like, you come in here daily.
I know, I recognize you.
Not me. I don't come in here daily. You have the wrong one. You gotta check
Well,
something
sit
else.
down on that bench for me. Do you have your ID on you?
No, I don't. That's at the house.
Do you have any form of identification?
No, I don't. I don't have anything on me. I wasn't planning on stopping here at all.
You have your phone on you that might have
I don't have a phone.
Instagram or anything
No,
like
my phone is broke. My phone is on me, but it broke.
So you don't have no license, no nothing.
And I have no ID on me right now. No, I don't. If you want
So
to
how'd you get here?
On a golf cart. Right here. Here's my father's
that? These are
brother.
yours.
You can throw it away. Just throw it away. I'd have living for this from breakfast.
That's your dollar.
Thanks. Joseph called out. If you want that.
I'm worried about you right now.
Why? I'm scared. I'm not. Why worried about me for what?
Because you were stealing.
Well, because I was.
I don't really care about anybody else right now.
I care about my. I'm sorry. I've never.
Alright. So,
But you have guys that come in here daily and get those.
listen,
daily ones.
we're worried about you right
I
now.
watch them all the
She wants to know
time.
how they work, so I told her.
So what's your first name?
April?
Common spelling?
Yes.
April, what's your last name?
Crippen, Crippen.
Any names that you have for the cars.
Am I getting arrested?
I have to count everything that's going on.
Yeah, first of all, you're already in the wrong. First of
I know
all.
I'm wrong.
Stop. No, this is time to listen, not talk.
I don't understand. I'm 50 years old. I'm
No, no.
not aware I made a mistake. And I'm sorry.
You're
It's my
over
kid's
here.
birthday.
You're over here. No. Stop. Stop talking.
Unless,
Stop talking. You're in the wrong. You're over here offering information, and now you only want to give it up if you benefit from it.
I'll give it to her either way.
I don't care about the name.
I-
She does.
You know what? I don't care about him either. But I'll give it to her because I come in here daily doing it. There's one in here now doing it.
Well, yeah, you.
No, not me.
Clearly.
Clearly.
Alright, go ahead and write those down for me. I have to go get the
Daily
packages.
55 County.
At first, April appeared remorseful and extremely cooperative. But that attitude only seemed to last because she believed cooperating might help her avoid getting arrested. The moment she realized she was going to jail for the theft regardless, her entire demeanor changed so dramatically that it was hard to believe she was the same person the officers had first questioned.
Stand up. Take off your bag.
Why
Take
are you-
off your
You're
bag.
not arrested yet. What are you doing?
You're being detained.
Yeah,
Now turn around.
Turn around.
Don't touch me like that, please.
Okay,
Don't-
stop, relax.
Did you see me resisting at
Stop.
all? I'm scared. Don't. No!
Stop.
Ma'am!
You're gonna get tased.
Ma'am!
Stop.
What are you doing? What are you doing to me? I just thought I'm fucking sure you scared me. Sir,
Stop.
I'm not sure. Do you see me?
Stop.
Your body is correct.
Yes, it is.
So,
Want to keep going?
I'm
wanna keep going?
You want to get tased?
Want to keep going?
You want to get tased?
Stop.
Chill out.
Discharge that. I just want
Chill
you
out.
to make a huge mistake, sir.
Chill out.
You just.
Now you just got an additional charge.
I didn't.
Now you are going to jail.
Good. I didn't resist. Oh God, my face just got busted up against it. You're gonna make this good just because I didn't resist. Oh God! Ow, help me! Help me, lady! Lady, help me! God, help me! Somebody help me! Help me!
Taser.
Somebody help me!
Stop. 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 Put your hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back.
No! Hands behind your back. You done? Are you done? Stop.
Oh, good. She broke my camera. That's it.
Lovely.
Destruction of police property. Excellent.
55 County. Call from rescue. Right?
The application's been
Could you start EMS for taser deployment? 26. What's that?
Where do you need to go to?
Maybe 55 County 10 line.
Where does EMS here come to at Target?
The loss prevention office.
County, I'll be in all.
Do you have anything on you? You made this way more difficult than it had to be. Stop.
Like I really hurt my toe. Or else I'm like for 10 hours, but oh God.
What?
You're fine.
I know my fingers. Look, I know what it is.
Okay. Alright. They'll give you whatever you need to get you hooked up, okay?
Great.
I'm gonna need photos. So I don't know if they got their phones. Hey, were you run out front and meet EMS? And bring it back? Do you guys have your work phone for photos?
Okay, yeah, hashtag pictures of the pros.
Okay, fantastic. Alright, yeah, Centron, just go get EMS. So,
They were on
minus a
purpose.
FTA or extensive criminal.
It wasn't, I don't have an extensive criminal history. I didn't have an FTA either. I never had an FTA for anything. That stuff is for Florida Credit Union and we had a loan. This is a civil, it's a civil warrant.
okay.
It's a civil warrant. It's a civil warrant. It's a
Civil, so you're familiar with the warrant from Marion County?
It was 3 years ago. 2 years.
3 years
2 years
ago?
ago. It's a 2-year-old warrant. It's 2 year old, and it's already cleared in the clerk of courts system, and they already have that through. But that's why.
Well, it's just saying it's 1 day in jail.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's already cleared in the system. They've already went through there once with it, and that's all. I'm just telling you the truth about that.
We didn't ask them to validate, don't.
No.
Yeah, I want to find out what's going on. If they take her.
That's the thing in my face. He didn't have to do that. No, he didn't have to do that. He didn't have to do that, did you? I didn't even reason to do it. Their faces slam my face against.
I was trying to.
Slam my face against the. Please help. See, slam my face against the. Well, I didn't fight them. I would not fight people like that. It was like easy helping them. You just see what they did. I just sit there and talk to them. Can I have some juice or something? I have glucose tube tablets in my I had glucose tablets in my bag.
I can't give you anything.
Why?
Okay? Because I'm not a medical.
Well,
I'm not a medical person.
My sugar.
The EMS is going to be walking in this door any
I would
moment.
be normal. I shut it.
Okay. They're going to be here any moment now. Okay.
I'm scared. I shut it now. I'll shut it now. I shut it now. So sorry. I shut it now. I didn't do anything for them to say me on the ground like that and bust my back. They bust my face against the wall too.
I see in here.
If you watch, yeah, you should see it because it's not that bad. I didn't deserve that.
EMS here.
I didn't deserve it at all. I asked for juice a couple times.
Yes.
I'll just shut up and go sleep. Hey, shut up and go sleep. Don't forget. I gotta call the wizard there. My twins are.
Just calm down, babe. You're good.
They didn't have to do that to me, ma'am. When you watch them, when you watch their tape, say, they didn't do that. I didn't do anything to them. She scared me and they wouldn't. She said, she didn't explain. And then one busted my cheek against the wall right there. It was hard. And then they started chasing me 2 times, 3 times. He kept freezing the button. I didn't deserve that. I didn't earn that. I'm not that person. And he wouldn't stop. He kept shaming me about what I did. I understand. And they're not the ones. I did wrong with them. I didn't do that. What was that about? I don't know. That's horrible bad. Horrible bad. Horrible bad. I didn't have to do that. He kept shaming me for what I did. Sorry.
I think this would be the Village's fire.
No, it's just shaming me.
I'm pretty sure
They're shaming me. I need to call home. The boys are at the center. They're stuck there.
He's in there.
What about them?
Once she began resisting, the officers did not hesitate to take her to the ground. From all indications, the takedown clearly took a heavy toll on her. But after the sudden switch in behavior she had shown earlier, officers were no longer willing to underestimate her. Even in her vulnerable state, they were fully prepared for the worst.
I'm gonna send you.
Do I have to ride with them? I don't want to ride with them. Please don't make me ride with them. Please don't make me ride with them.
You can stay there?
Please don't.
Okay.
Please don't make me ride with them. Please don't make me ride with them. Please don't make me ride with either one of them. Please do not make me ride with either one of them. Please don't.
Do you have a bra on?
Yes, I do, but
I'm gonna
please
take it and
don't.
pull it out. Okay, I just wanna make sure you don't have anything tucked in there, okay? Excuse me. Head up, Ron. Head up. Do you have anything on you?
No, I don't.
Okay. When you get to the jail, they're gonna find it.
I don't do drugs or milk or nothing like that. Whatever. I don't sell cards on whatnot or whatever the hell he said.
Whatnot.
That's what it is. They said you're going to sell these cards on whatnot. I don't even know what.
Oh, were they the trading cards?
They're cards. I don't know. They're cards. I don't sell cards. I fucking sell cards.
April, relax. You're gonna ride in the backseat of a car and that's it.
Turn around. Feet apart. Feet apart. Thank you. Okay, I need you to kick your shoes off.
I didn't say that. That's not
April, I need you to kick your shoes off. Shoes off. Everything that happened in here was on video, April.
They took the guy that was saying, give me your hands on your before. I said, no, if I didn't have, I guess you believe him. That's shocking yet. Say what? Please don't leave, sir. Please don't, please don't, please don't, please
They're
don't.
like brand new. This will have a sticker on it.
They're mine. Yeah, they got from Christmas.
Where's that? The
Christmas. They got them for
like a label?
Christmas. It's for, no, they're not stolen. I don't think
Oh, hold on. Face the wall again. Turn around. Why don't you just bend your knee and put your right foot back towards me?
okay.
Thank you.
I don't have any grandparents. Okay.
Left.
Oh, and it's something, I got a thing, I've got a car on my toe. It's callous on my toe. Sorry, I do. See? It's callous.
Okay.
I just want to go through in jail. I'm going to jail. Oh, yeah. That's all right. I think you're right.
Okay.
All
Do you need
right.
me to search this for you?
I went through it.
You did?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I won't see you.
You can't take me?
Yep, we're going to jail.
I can't take you. No.
You don't take why do you have That's crazy. That's crazy. I didn't go through all the but not like that. But what it is, I guess. Oh, no, not these are all for me, or is it more or less?
No, it's for you.
All of it?
That's what happens when you fight with law
I didn't
enforcement.
fight.
You get tased.
You weren't even there, and I didn't fight with them. But
They don't tase you for no reason.
I'm not a liar.
Is this one yours?
Yep. All right, listen, April, I give everyone the same spiel. Listen. Look, you see how there's nothing there, right? If we get to the jail and there's something in the back of that car, it's another charge on you. Okay? Have a seat.
Seatbelt. Let me go around.
April Colleen Schofield was charged with petty theft under $100, resisting without violence, and criminal mischief involving less than $200 in damages. If you enjoy videos such as this, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time.